How to customize your Windows 10 and 11 cursor to whatever pleases you without the use of any third-party website or apps. We are going to focus solely on the inbuilt program from the Windows itself. So now come to this place, the start button, right click, then go ahead and click on settings. Now first thing you have to do is to come to this accessibility, click on it. Now locate and click on mouse pointer and touch. Now here you have a lot of information here. The first one is this mouse pointer style. We're going to change the styles of our mouse pointer. This is the default one, white. Then you can change it to black. You can see. You can change it to this one. Then let's click on this one. Then we're going to customize the color we have here. So let me go for this color. Then that color has been changed. Then you can add your color here by clicking on this and select any color that suits you. Then from here, let's go and increase the size of our mouse from this small one to a little bigger one. Let's drag it, and I think 3 is okay. You see the cursor is a bit bigger. 3 is okay. Now scroll down to this place, touch indicator, that is enabled. Then make the circle darker or larger. Now come to mouse pointer speed and primary button scrolling. Click on this button. Now once you click on it, the first thing is your primary scrolling, the mouse speed. So let the mouse speed be 10 is okay. Now you can see, let's click out from this place. Now you see that our mouse has changed from the default color to this. Now you can now use your mouse to do anything you like on your device. So that's all guys, you've been able to customize our mouse on our Windows 10 and Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.